Let's start by creating a program in RSLOGIX500. Go to File, New, and scroll down to select the appropriate MicroLogic controller. We're using a MicroLogiX500. Don't forget to save your file. Hit File, Save As, and create a file name as you would any other program. Now let's create a simple ladder logic rung. Right-click on the first rung and click Add Rung. Drag and drop in a normally open contact. We're going to use input 0 for this. Now let's create a coil for this logic. Go to the pull down menu, pull down a coil, and for this application we're going to use output 0. This line of logic is just really as a placeholder for us to download something into the PLC processor. Don't forget to save your project. Now we have a few other things to do before we can download the program. We need to set the IP address of the PLC program, configure the computer's IP address, and then establish a link between the computer and the PLC using RSLOGIX. Don't forget to set up the PLC address in the MicroLogiX PLC prior to this. See my earlier video on doing this if you haven't already done so. Next, set the IP address of channel 1 to the same IP address that you set in the PLC earlier. Now, remember to set your computer's IP address as well. This address needs to be in the same range as the PLC. Notice that your computer's IP address is in the same range as the PLC, but not the same address. Now we must establish a link between the computer and the PLC using RSLinks. And now we'll put the address of the PLC that we're communicating to. This will be the exact address of the PLC, unlike when we set up the PC. And now we'll go into Systems Comms and browse for the PLC that we're looking for. We'll select it and download our program to the PLC. The processor is going to ask you if you want to go online with the program. If you want to do this, this gives you a live update of what's happening within your program. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this one.